In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot signature to Gmail. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional email signature pulled right from HubSpot and showing up automatically in Gmail. First, open your HubSpot account. Make sure you're on the correct workspace and fully signed in so your settings load properly. You'll start from the main dashboard. That's all you need for now. Next, click the gear icon to open HubSpot settings. In the left menu, locate the email section. Depending on your view, it might be under General or clearly labeled Email. Inside there, look for the option that says Manage Email Signature. This is where HubSpot centralizes your signature setup so it's consistent across tools. Now, add your signature. Use HubSpot's editor to type in your details and format them the way you want them to appear. Keep it concise: your name, job title, company, and the best ways to reach you. If you include a logo or headshot, use a small, web-optimized image to avoid clipping in recipients' inboxes. Add links to your website and social profiles by using the link option rather than pasting long URLs. Keep fonts simple and colors accessible for dark mode. When it looks good, copy the entire signature. Some HubSpot views provide a copy button. If not, select everything in the editor and copy it to your clipboard. Now, switch over to Gmail and open Settings. Click the gear icon in the top right, then select See All Settings to open the Full Preferences page. You'll land on the General tab, which is where Gmail keeps signature controls. Scroll to the Signature section and paste your signature into the box. If you're prompted to create a new signature, give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. After pasting, do a quick visual check. Sometimes pasted content brings extra spacing. If you see double line breaks, place your cursor and use backspace or delete to tighten it up. Use the Gmail formatting toolbar to adjust font size, link text, or alignment if needed. Below the editor, set your signature defaults so it automatically appears for new emails and, if you want, for replies and forwards. Many people choose a shorter version for replies, but you can keep the full one if it still reads cleanly. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Compose a new message to confirm everything looks correct, and you're done. That's it. Your HubSpot signature is now active in Gmail and ready to elevate every email you send.